Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I've got my mystery bag has arrived from Vee. It's dark outside and I don't usually do my videos this time of the day, but I'm so excited and I so want to open up my mystery bag from Vee, my super magenta Vee, so shall we open it, guys? It is absolutely jam-packed. Where's my scissors? There's my scissors. Let's see. She's really packed this really well. I've got to be careful because I don't want to cut the yarn. So excited. Oh, I know what she's done. Oh, she's put a bag. Oh, she's put a bag within a bag. Good idea, Vee. Good idea. So I hope you're all well. Had a busy day. Let me just see if I can get this out now. Sorry about the crinkle, guys, but I'm just so excited to open this mystery bag from my super pink magenta Vee or pink Vee. Not allowed to call her pink. Oh, Vee. Oh my word, Vee. I don't even know where to start. Let's see. Just try. I'm being very careful because I don't want to. Wow, Vee, she's jammed this pack full. Look at that, guys. It's jammed right to the gills. Let me just want to put my hand inside because you know the last thing you want is to cut the yarn. Oh wow. Oh, Vee. What I'm seeing so far, guys, I'm loving. There we go. Oh, wow. Yarn Bee. Oh, dazzling. 249 yards. This colour is Morning Haze. Hope you can see the colour. And, oh, wow. Oh, is it? It's Morning Haze. And I've got this one is like got greens, and this one's called Pool. Isn't that nice? What is it? It's a, what weight is it? Doesn't say. What am I missing it? Doesn't say what weight yarn. It's made in Turkey anyway. I would say it's a 4-weight. A 4-weight. Would you agree, guys? So I've got that one. Oh, and I've got this one. Another one of these. I've got another one of the Morning Haze. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a 4-weight, guys. It says on it. It's that small. I could hardly see it. So I've got 3 of them. Woo-woo. Ah, pink Linda. Got a little card. Thank you very much for all your support I have had from you. I hope you like this package. Alex and I, we made with love, so you can crochet a beautiful creations for you, your family. With love from Alex and Pink Vee. Thank you, Vee. Thank you so much. I love my super pink Vee. Oh, I got a thingy bag, guys. Wow. What's she put in here? Wow. Oh, emery boards. Look at the pussycat, guys, and you all know I love pussycats. So always handy to have a nail file in your notions bag, really is. Oh, and she sent me some stitch markers. Oh look, I've got a little elephant, a hank of yarn and a little gem. Oh, they're beautiful them, Vee, thank you. What else have I got? Oh, and I've got some Yarnology mechanical pencils. Vee, I love these pencils. These are the I only write in pencil. These are going to be, and they've got the llama on. No, drummer in llama. Oh, and she sent me a 2.5 hook as well. Oh, thanks, Vee. I didn't expect that. Let's see what's this look like. Oh, look at that, guys. It's a 2.5mm, and she knows how I love my small hooks. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I like that. Oh, and it feels so cool to oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Vee. Thank you. So let's see what... Oh, my Lord. Red Heart. It's a wrap rainbow. Look at that, guys. It's a 2-weight. There is, this colour's called Fiesta. Oh, and there's one ball, and there is actually a pattern on the band, and this is 55% acrylic, 45% cotton, 150 grams, 623 yards. So that would be nice for, wouldn't that be nice for Ursula's Count My Blessings shawl? Wouldn't that be nice for that? What else did I get? Let's see. Oh, Sweet for Dinner. Oh, look, lilac. Again, yarn Bee. It is, I think this is a 4-weight. Yes, it's a 4-weight, and there's 243 yards, and the colour I think is Lavender Sky. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I like that. She sent me some socks. Llama. Oh, Vee, thank you. Thank you. That was a surprise. Ooh. Mountain Views. Sweet Divinity. What's this one? Lavender Sky. Oh, right. Oh, it's the same yarn, but this has got all different colours in, of lilacs and greys and that. Won't they look gorgeous together? They'll make a nice project, won't they? And they're a 4-weight. I bet they'd make a really nice hat and cowl set. What else? Oh, wow. This one's called Berry Purple. I bet this would go really nice together, guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think they'd look really, really nice together if I put them like that. They'd be really nice. Thank you, Vee. And I've got, I can't even begin to tell you how much I've wanted to try this yarn. It's a 4-weight. And it's Yarn Bee Secret Soft. It's a 4-weight and 300 yards, and the colour is called Saffron. And then I've got Hot Pink, Soft Secret, and I've got this one, which is Aqua, and I've got, ooh, white, and I've got another white. Oh wow, so they'll look really nice together, won't they? It's got a granny square blanket, but I can assure you guys, no squares will be made by me this year. Isn't that fabulous? They look really nice together. Ooh, they'd be really nice as, yeah, really nice. Thank you, V. So that, guys, is my my mystery bag from my super pink V. And as you all know, I am really well worth the money, and that, so I cannot highly recommend. But I love all the yarn, V. I really do. You know me so well. You know me so well. And that might even be made up into Ursula's poncho, not poncho, Count My Blessings shawl. And I love them as well. They're nice. So thank you, V. But that's not the only parcel I had from V today. I've just got a little story to tell you. So, Jeannie, the lovely Jeannie, was showing some new yarn from Michael's. And so I messaged V. No, I didn't message V. And I was thinking, oh, I need that yarn in my life. I really need that yarn in my life. So we were on a live and V turned around and said she was going shopping to Michael's. So I quickly messaged her on Instagram, as you do. And she took me shopping. And she shopped for me, guys. It's arrived, so I've got to show you what I paid for, or what shopping she did for me. I am so happy, so happy. I can't even begin to tell you. So now Miss Jeannie from Butterfly Dreams with Jeannie showed this Loops and Threads, the limited edition, but she showed the fall colours, and I did want the fall colours, but when V took me shopping, I fell in love with these colours, and this is the colour I fell in love with. It's a patterns included as well, and it's Cozy Wool Merino. Excuse me. 341 yards. It's I think it's a 3-weight, or is it a 4-weight? Oh, it is. It's a 3-weight, and you know I love 3-weights. Excuse me, guys. So, and she got me 55% merino, 45% anti-pilling acrylic, which is always good, 4mm needle, and this one's called Driftwood Multi. So, and then I got the deep sand, which will go with it. And I got the, what's the deep sand? And then I got the cream. But then, in this, you can see there's grey. So, it was something like buy two and you got a discount, or buy two and you get one half price. Anyway, so I decided to go with the grey from another, and I'm really liking that, and that's called grey. So I've got 3, 6, 9, I've got over it, and this will make one beautiful poncho. Not decided yet. I'm going to keep it for, well, I've got quite a bit on my plate at the moment, but it will definitely be used. So I'm just so grateful to my super pink Vee. Thank you so much, Vee, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I so appreciate you. You can't even begin to comprehend how much you really mean to me. So I will put some photographs at the end of this video, just so you can get a proper closer look at them. Thank you so much, Vee. Thank you for Jeannie for sharing the new yarn, which then prompted me to contact Vee to go shopping for me. And I hope you all have a fabulous day. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Until next time, bye-bye for now.